Hey guys, welcome to Graphics House Photoshop. Today I'm going to show you how to make your day photo into a night effect. Open the image which you want to use for this project. Duplicate your background layer by pressing Ctrl J on your keyboard. Then go to Adjustment Layer icon and select Hue and Saturation. Make your saturation -91. Now go to your adjustment layer icon again and select brightness and contrast. Make your brightness -109. Again go to the adjustment layer icon and this time select color lookup. Now make a new layer and make your foreground color white. Now go and select your brush tool. You can resize your brush size by pressing bracket key on your keyboard. Now brush in the sky area to make stars. Now make a new layer. Now make layer 2 active and decrease its opacity to 53%. Make your layer 3 active and select round hard brush to make a moon. Now go to Filter, Blur, and Gaussian Blur. Make its radius 8 pixels. Now press and hold your Control button and click on the thumbnail of layer 3. Go to Filter, Render and Clouds. Then press Ctrl D to deselect the selection. Now double-click in the empty area of layer 3 to open its layer styles. Now select Color Overlay and Color Picker and select White Color. And make your opacity 38%. In its blend mode to color dodge. Now select outer glow. Make your blending mode screen. And opacity 70%. And size 70%. So in this way you can make your day photo into a night effect. Hope you liked our video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.